Hello viewers, welcome to Grandview Golf Resort, Gazipur. It is the best hotel in town by its service. There are many facilities for you. Facilities are 24 hours front desk, room service, free Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, air conditioning, restaurants, car parking, swimming pool, etc. Suite Deluxe balcony, deluxe golf villa, deluxe pool villa, executive suite, restaurant, swimming pool. Greenview Golf Resort, Gazipur, courtesied by porjotanbd.com, a website of Porjotanbd Tours and Travels. Contact for reservation 0185 773 5525 017764 67789. Photography Nahid Akhtar, videography Shathi Boni, voice Shathi Boni, porjotanbd.com. Thanks for watching.